We will now set up a system for self-assign. First thing you want to do is, after plugging in all of your equipment, is make sure your reader is connected to your W800. So when you push the firmware to the device, the reader will be recognized. So now we're going to create a system and go through the standard process of setting up a body-worn camera system. This is where you're going to select self-assign. By selecting self-assign, you will be able to use credentials to check cameras in and out of your body-worn camera system and assign the user's name and profile to a camera. Now that my system is set up, I'm going to add a camera to it. Then under users, I'm going to add a user. And now under the user, under paired equipment, I will be able to add a self-assigned tag. At this point, you want to take your USB reader and attach it to the computer that you're programming with. If you had two USB readers, you could have one attached to your computer and one attached to your W800. Now that I have the USB reader attached to my computer, I'm going to click pair. I'm going to take my credential, tap it on the reader, and you can see that it read the credential correctly. If I want to tap it again, if for some reason I had more than one credential on card number on this credential, it will intake everything that it can read from the card. So you only have to scan it once, but you can scan it up to 5 times. Once the credential is enrolled with the user, I can now take the USB reader, attach it back to the W800, and now when I go to check out a camera, it will assign me the next best available camera. And you can see the camera has started flashing green with my name. I pick it up, the camera will load, and anything that I record will offload to my profile inside of Axis Camera Station.